Welcome! This video shows how to use simple drafting of Power Patent to turn a scientific publication into a non-provisional patent application draft. Start from the inventions listing, then choose Prepare Application. Select Simple Drafting for a guided draft from one document source. Drop the publication PDF into document source. For this guide, we use a PDF downloaded from archive.org as the example source. Click Next to move to the claims step. Click Add Claim Set, then generate a method claim set from the document source. Take a moment to stretch your legs. The process needs a minute or two to get everything ready. Once the method claim set is ready, take a quick look through the claims and make sure everything looks good. Click Next to continue to the figures step. Add a flowchart from the generated claims. Submit the generated flowchart so it is added to the figures. Next, extract figures directly from the document source so the draft can include visuals from the publication. Click Next to open the review step. On the review screen, take a moment to scan the claim coverage, claim numbering, figure quality, and whether the figures match the method steps. When the claims and figures look ready, you are set to draft the application. Click Draft Application to start the drafting workflow. Power Patent is now drafting the application. This can take a little while, so grab a cup of coffee while the workflow runs. When it finishes, the application editor will open, where you can keep editing or export as USPTO docx format. That is the Power Patent simple drafting workflow from scientific publication to patent draft. Thank you for watching.